Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today, we're in Kluang, Malaysia, a town bursting with charm, nature, and unforgettable food. Get ready for 17 must-visit spots that will make you fall in love with this hidden gem. Let's dive in. First up, we arrive at the iconic Kluang Rail Coffee, a place that's more than just a cafe. It's a living piece of Kluang's soul. Nestled right by the railway station, this humble spot has been welcoming travelers and locals alike for generations. Since 1938, Kluang Rail Coffee has stood as a true local institution, its story woven into the very fabric of the town's history. The coffee here is nothing short of legendary. Thick, aromatic, and roasted in-house using time-honored methods that give it a deep, rich flavor you won't find anywhere else. Pair your cup with their famous charcoal-grilled kaya toast. Each slice is crispy on the outside, smoky from the grill, and generously slathered with creamy butter and sweet fragrant coconut jam. It's the perfect way to kick off your adventure in Kluang, fueling you for the day ahead. Let's keep going and see what else this charming town has to offer. After a hearty breakfast, there's no better way to start the day than with a hike up Gunung Lambak, Kluang's beloved green playground. This mountain, rising just outside the town, is a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike, offering a refreshing escape into nature. The anticipation builds as you approach the trailhead, surrounded by the sounds of the forest and the promise of adventure ahead. The trail is accessible and welcoming, winding gently through lush rainforest that's alive with the calls of birding and the occasional rustle of monkeys in the treetops. Every step brings you deeper into a world of vibrant green, where sunlight filters through the canopy and the air is cool and fresh. Along the way, you'll meet locals of all ages, families, friends, and solo hikers, each drawn here to connect with nature and with each other. The trail is a social hub, where greetings are exchanged and stories are shared, making every hike a communal experience. As you reach the summit, the reward is breathtaking, sweeping panoramic views of Kluang town below, framed by endless stretches of palm plantations and rolling hills. The sense of accomplishment is matched only by the beauty that surrounds you. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a gentle adventure, this hike is a must for anyone visiting Kluang. Don't forget to snap a photo at the summit to remember the experience. Next, let's wander Kluang's vibrant back streets where murals turn the town into an open-air gallery. Each piece tells a story: coffee culture, daily life, and local legends. The art is interactive, inviting you to step into the scene for the perfect photo. It's playful, creative, and a celebration of Kluang's spirit. Every corner holds a new surprise. This street art transforms a simple walk into an adventure. Don't forget your camera. If you're looking for a refreshing escape from the city and want to experience the joys of farm life, Zenxin Organic Park is the perfect destination. As Malaysia's very first organic park, it offers a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature and discover where your food really comes from. Join a guided tour led by friendly experts who share fascinating insights about organic farming. Stroll through the fields, pick your own fresh fruit straight from the trees, and learn about sustainable farming practices that help protect the environment for future generations. Breathe in the crisp, clean air as you wander among lush green fields bursting with life. There's something magical about pulling a vegetable from the earth and tasting it right there. So fresh, so flavorful, and so pure. After exploring, treat yourself at the farm-to-table restaurant, where every dish is crafted from just harvested organic ingredients. The menu is full of healthy, delicious options that showcase the vibrant flavors of the farm's produce. Don't miss their signature hot pot, brimming with crisp organic veggies. It's a comforting, nourishing meal that brings everyone together around the table, perfect for sharing with family or friends. Everywhere you look, there's a vibrant display of colors, scents, and flavors. Zenxin Organic Park is truly a feast for your senses and a soothing retreat for your soul. Get your hands dirty with interactive farming activities. Plant seeds, harvest vegetables, and experience the satisfaction of working the land together. Whether you're a family seeking wholesome fun or a food lover eager to taste the freshest produce, Zenxin Organic Park promises a memorable, enriching day for everyone. Next, UK Farm Agro Resort, where you'll meet thousands of sheep and other friendly animals, feed lambs, try fresh goat's milk, and explore the sprawling green pastures. There's horseback riding, a passion fruit farm, and plenty of space to unwind. It's a working farm and a joyful escape from city life. Perfect for families or anyone craving a countryside adventure. Making friends with a baby sheep, unbeatable. Simple happiness, Kluang style. Need a break from the sun? Kluang Mall is the town's modern hub. Shop for local products, pick up souvenirs, or just people watch. The real highlight? The food court, offering a smorgasbord of Malaysian favorites. Sample chicken rice, laksa, sendal, and more, all under one roof. It's a delicious way to experience Kluang's culinary diversity. Tradition and modernity blend seamlessly here. And yes, the air conditioning is a bonus. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Kluang Coffee Powder Factory. Watch the traditional roasting process from green beans to fragrant powder. The secret? Roasting with sugar and margarine for that signature caramelized flavor. The family behind it is passionate and proud to share their craft. Sample the freshest coffee you'll ever taste. Take home a bag as the ultimate Kluang souvenir. This is more than a factory, it's living history. A must-visit for any coffee fan. Step back in time on the Kluang Heritage Walk, lined with beautiful pre-war shophouses. Each building tells a story, old bakeries, barbershops, and temples all in one stretch. The architecture is stunning, with colorful facades and intricate details. It's a living museum, blending Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences. Pop into a kopitiam or a temple as you wander. This walk reveals the soul of Kluang. History comes alive on these streets. For serious adventurers, Mount Belumut awaits. The hike is challenging, dense jungle, rocky paths, and wild sounds all around. You might spot gibbons or rare birds along the way. The summit offers breathtaking, endless rainforest views. It's pure, untamed nature, humbling and unforgettable. If you crave wilderness, this is your climb. Mount Belumut is Kluang's wild side. After adventure, find peace at Taman Merdeka, Kluang's green oasis. Locals picnic, jog, and relax by the shady lake. It's a slice of everyday life, away from the tourist trail. The park is perfect for recharging and people watching. Simple, beautiful, and essential to the community. Sometimes the best moments are the quiet ones. Take a breath and enjoy. Kluang Parade is the town's classic neighborhood mall, full of life and local flavor. Catch a movie, go bowling, or just soak up the lively atmosphere. It's a favorite spot for families and friends to gather. And of course, there's great food. Everything from fast bites to traditional meals. It's a taste of daily life in Kluang. Simple joys, all under one roof. For tranquility, visit Kluang Lake, a peaceful spot for strolling, cycling, or just sitting by the water. The scenery is calming, with still waters reflecting the sky and trees. Locals fish, relax, and enjoy the slow pace. It's a gentle escape from the bustle of town. Sometimes the simplest places leave the biggest impression. Bring a book, or just your thoughts. Kluang Lake is pure serenity. When night falls, Kluang's Pasar Malam comes alive, a street market bursting with sights, sounds, and flavors. The air sizzles with grilling satay, sweet pancakes, and spicy noodles. Every stall tempts you with something new. Just follow your nose. It's more than food. It's a community celebration. Families, friends, and neighbors gather to eat, shop, and connect. The energy is infectious, and the food unforgettable. This is the heart and soul of Kluang at night. Come hungry, leave happy. Step into the Kluang Art Museum, a small space packed with local creativity. Paintings, sculptures, and contemporary works showcase the region's talent. It's intimate, personal, and full of surprises. Art here tells the story of Kluang in a whole new way. It's a thoughtful stop that adds depth to your visit. Discover the creative heart of the town. Rise early for the Kluang Baru Wet Market, where the town's day begins. Vendors shout out specials, and the freshest produce, seafood, and meats fill every stall. It's a raw, real look at local life and food culture. Grab breakfast here and watch the morning rush. The market is vibrant, essential, and full of character. For food lovers, it's paradise. Don't miss this authentic experience. For a leisurely afternoon, hit the Kluang Golf and Country Club. The course is lush, scenic, and surrounded by nature, sometimes even monkeys. Whether you're a golfer or just want a peaceful walk, it's a beautiful spot. The clubhouse is perfect for relaxing and meeting locals. It's recreation and relaxation Kluang style. Enjoy the green side of town. We end where it all began, the Kluang Railway Station. This historic station is the town's anchor, connecting past and present. Its colonial architecture and bustling platforms tell stories of countless journeys. Watch modern trains come and go, just as they have for generations. It's a symbol of Kluang's spirit, rooted in history, always moving forward. The perfect place to reflect on your adventure. Every journey starts and ends here. That's a wrap on our Kluang adventure. From coffee to mountains, art to night markets, this town is pure magic. If you enjoyed the journey, hit like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Share your favorite Kluang spot in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring. Bye.